Are these R150 headphones a steal or just throwing your money away? Today, we're diving deep to find out if that mid-range price tag actually delivers premium sound or if you're better off saving your cash. We're going to break it down into sound quality, build quality, comfort, and overall value. First, let's talk sound. We are analyzing the frequency response to see if the sound is balanced or if certain frequencies are overpowering others. Listen closely to these audio samples. Can you hear the distinct highs, mids, and lows, or does it sound muddy and distorted? Next up is build quality. We're checking the materials used, how sturdy they feel, and if they can withstand daily wear and tear. Are the hinges solid? Is the headband adjustable and durable? Cheap plastic often means a short lifespan. Now, for comfort. You'll be wearing these for hours, so how do they feel? Are the ear cups plush and breathable? Does the headband put too much pressure on your head? Uncomfortable headphones are a deal breaker, no matter the sound quality. Finally, let's talk value. Considering the sound, build, and comfort, are these headphones worth R150? Are there cheaper alternatives that offer similar or even better performance? It's all about getting the best bang for your buck. So, are the R1500 headphones worth it? Considering everything, our verdict is worth it. The sound quality and comfort justify the price. Let us know what you think in the comments below.